Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of y, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. Now we can apply the formula in here, and you got like this. So we need to do first derivative of a in here. Multiplied by 9x minus 6. Later that we need to do first derivative of b multiplied by 6x to the power of 4 plus a. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of x to the power of 4. And then we do first derivative of 8. This one, we need to do first derivative of x and negative number 6. Now, we have the formula in here. So if we do first derivative of x to the power of n, we have nx to the power of n minus 1. And the second one, if this one that is about the constant, so you got about 0. So this one in here, we have 4x to the power of 3. This one, you got 0. This one, we have number 1. And this one, you got 0. And now we need to simplify. Number 6 and number 4, we have 24. This one, we have number 9. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.